Iqonga i-SACC nelimele amagqala umkhosi jikelele lithi azimanyelwa izikhalazo zabo.
We've been struggling with DMV for a long time for these guys to come onto the database. There's forever a red door or red tape or red wall that we can't get our veterans to really get them onto the database for them to get these benefits that is entitled to them.
Lamajoni amelwe ngulombutho ngamajoni athabatha inxaxheba kwimfazwe yehlabathi iWorld War II phakathi kwemfazwe ezinokukhankanywa.
The sad thing about this is that all of us that is standing here today, we've got our force numbers. So it's supposed not to be a very difficult thing. But a lot of us, when we do the application, they cannot find our service records, they cannot find this, they cannot find that, or there's a problem with that.
Lombutho ubhenele emagqwetheni nangona kukho uluvo lokuba lo mba ungasonjululwa ngapha kwenkundla zamatyala.
They have a right in terms of the Military Veterans Act of 2011 to benefits, the benefits as defined in the Act, as well as certain benefits apply to dependents of veterans, and that Act also gives effect to constitutional obligations that the government has to simply treating veterans equally, to giving veterans benefits.
Eliqonga lithi ukuba kukho tshintsho liza kuyisombulula le nyewe enkundleni.